The West Bengal Assembly passed an anti-rape bill called the Aprajita Bill to strengthen laws against rape and sexual offences. This came amid massive protest over the rape and murder of a trainee doctor in Kolkata's Arjical Medical College and Hospital on 9th August 2024.
We want execution of this law immediately.
Here's what we know about the bill. The bill seeks to amend several sections in the newly introduced Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The Aprajita Bill tweaked Section 66 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which covered penalties when rape results in victim's death or leaves her in a vegetative state. In this case, as of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, a rape convict will be sentenced to imprisonment not less than 20 years, and this may extend to life term and can also include death penalty, while the Aprajita Bill seeked capital punishment along with fine. While Section 64 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita set a minimum of 10 years in prison for rape, with a possible life sentence along with fine, the anti-rape bill extended this to life imprisonment. The anti-rape bill changes Section 70 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita on gang rape penalties, removing the 20-year jail term option and mandating life imprisonment or death penalty and fine for those convicted. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, however, awards life imprisonment or death penalty if the victim is below 18 years of age. The bill also increased penalties for disclosing the identity of sexual assault victims. While the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita allowed up to 2 years in jail, the Aprajita Bill sought a prison term of 3 to 5 years. The Aprajita Bill strengthens penalties for child abuse beyond the POCSO Act. It also mandated rape investigations to be completed within 21 days. A 15-day extension may be allowed, but only under senior supervision. A task force and 52 special courts will be set up to handle and investigate sexual offences. The new anti-rape bill was passed unanimously on 3rd September 2024 after opposition extended its support.
আমরা একটাও ভোটাভুটি চাইবো না, আমরা ডিভিশন চাইবো না, ফুল সাপোর্ট। আমরা মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর বক্তব্য সুন্দর করে শুনবো, উনি যা মনে আসেন বলবেন, কোনো সমস্যা নেই, কিন্তু আপনাকে গ্যারান্টি দিতে হবে immediate execution of this bill.
Now, what's next? For a bill to become a law, it needs the approval of President Draupadi Murmu. A state law can be enforced even if it differs from a central law as long as the president approves it. In the West Bengal State Assembly, Mamata Banerjee called the bill historic. She even demanded resignation from Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
আমরা এটাকে করেছি প্রাণদণ্ড ও জরিমানা। প্রধানমন্ত্রী করতে পারেনি বলে আমরা করেছি। প্রধানমন্ত্রী, আপনি দেশের লজ্জা, নরেন্দ্র মোদি চাই।
On the other hand, other Bharatiya Janata Party leaders criticized Mamata Banerjee over the anti-rape bill.
दीदी जवाब दे, क्या शेख शाहजहां जैसे लोगों को भी इस कानून के अंदर फांसी की सजा दी जाएगी? ये केवल भटकाने के लिए इस तरह के कानून बनाने का कोई अर्थ नहीं है।